Today we will install your Willow car seat using the vehicle seat belt. Place the base on your vehicle seat. Base should not hang more than 4.7 inches over the edge of the vehicle seat. Adjust the recline angle to the appropriate position until the blue marker is completely visible between the two lines on the recline angle indicators. To open the ClickTight, grab the handle, squeeze the button, and lift. Pull the lap and shoulder straps of vehicle seat belt across the base. Tuck the vehicle belt under the ClickTight and belt guides and buckle the seat belt. Ensure the lap and shoulder belts are both tucked under the ClickTight completely. Gently remove slack from the vehicle belt, being careful to not over-tighten. To close, push down on the handle and listen for a click. When the ClickTight is fully closed, the indicator window will be entirely green. Test the tightness. The base should not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. Place the carrier into the base. Listen for a click. The carry handle must be adjusted to a locked position for use in the vehicle. Britax recommends position 1 to help reduce rebound movement in the event of a crash. Pull up on the handle to confirm it's locked.